for our customers, you are available in our catalog, and you are easily accessible to engage. I think you guys actually have, if I'm correct, two offerings listed in Marketplace today. Maybe we could talk a little bit through that. One is a service where you come in and actually help do a consultative service, and the second is actually the product itself. So if you don't mind painting that picture a little bit for the customers, that'd be great.
Yeah, 100%. That if you're at all curious, reach out. You can find through our website the link to find us on Marketplace. So it's either the strategy session, or you can just, if you're ready, go ahead and sign up for that POC. And if you're in that strategy session, we'll work with you close. You can take the software for a test drive via AWS, and we'll again deliver you this roadmap. So we want our one job is to bring ease to you, and empower you to be the champion within your organization to champion this, to communicate it effectively, to present a roadmap, and have that roadmap in place and be able to get kickstarted on that roadmap. So you have two options. Either way, you can one-click buy on the Marketplace and get going.